Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ayurveda Lifestyle. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to use a Gua Sha massage tool to actually help with reduce that double chin. We're going to do some great massage exercises using this tool and also finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. Now, I do like to start with clean skin, and I'm just using a little bit of facial oil just so you've got just kind of like a slip and glide if you like. And also, whatever product you place onto your skin is also going to penetrate in even deeper and better. So I'm just applying just under the chin area and also above, side of the ears and the side of the neck down to the collarbone. So what we're going to do first, we're going to just take the top part of the tool, place a hand as an anchor, and we're just very gently gliding from under the chin towards the ears. And I like to do this slow and mindful. And if you can use the tool fairly flat, you have more surface area. And we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area, so really helping move toxins and waste which can accumulate under the chin here. And just again on the other side. And by moving the lymph around the chin area, it unfortunately doesn't actually work itself. You have to actually physically move it. It doesn't work by heartbeat. So by using fingers or Gua Sha tool is really great. Any inflammation. So now we're going to just use the long parts here, starting literally from the collarbone. We're working our way up towards the chin and then gliding under from the jawline towards the ear. And then we're working down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And this is such a great move here. Again, I'm using a very light, delicate touch here. The skin around this area is very fine and delicate. And again, working up from the collarbone towards that chin area, under the jawline, towards the ears, down that big muscle. Let's do this one last time on this area. Working up, across, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone, and then on the other side. Again, I like to use my finger as an anchor, and then just lifting up. If you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. It really does help with oxygen towards the neck and the facial area. And I like to use a jade tool here. Sometimes use the rose quartz, but I always would recommend using something, a natural stone if you like, rather than something synthetic. So let's do this one last time. Up, across to the ear, come down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So now we're going to use the pointy part here, and we're just going to keep literally placing again fingers as an anchor and just literally massaging under that chin area. Now you can do this morning or evening, obviously depending how much time you have, and then just glide under towards the ears. Again on the other side. And then massage all the way across towards the ears. So now we're going to use this part here again, and we're placing fingers as an anchor so we're not stretching the skin, and now we're just gently gliding above the chin and jawline towards the ears here. And I'm using the tool fairly flat. And then on the other side. Now, if you don't have a Gua Sha tool, I will leave a link in the description box down below if you're interested in buying one. And obviously, once you've bought one, they last for a very long time. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use this part here, and we're just gently gliding down the side of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then the back of the ear. And we're moving all the toxins and waste from this chin area, ready for elimination if you like. And then again down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, again using large parts here